What's up, guys? It's Eric from Yokohama Skateboards, and yeah, we're not in the office, and we've got our trusty little wheel scrambler where we pick for our giveaways. So we got names in all of these wheels, everybody that's been entered. Sorry about the late response. We were actually supposed to give away this drop through longboard. We got the Owl series. It's kind of like the Animals in Nature series we got going. We were supposed to give this away actually end of last month, but things have been getting kind of crazy, which a good crazy. We've been real busy, but we also apologize to you guys, so we don't want to act like we're going against our word. We're here now, and our giveaways will become a lot more consistent, and you'll see a lot more of them in the future. So today we're gonna pick out one of you lucky guys or girls, or boys, girls, I don't know. we're gonna pick out a skateboarder, all right, to take this bad boy home. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a couple spins. And there we go. Good luck to everyone. There we are. So let's unlock it. Let's go with the pink. I got the pink tool out, so I'll pick the pink right there. So let me see. Who do we got in here? Cool. Sorry, guys. Trying to hold the phone and do it at the same time. So our winner is none other than @Lover of Light. So Lover of Light, you have just won yourself a drop through Yokohama longboard right there. So @Lover of Light, congratulations. Thank you for everybody that's entered, and thank you for our continued support. If you guys are wondering what kind of products we have, check out the website, follow us on Instagram, follow us on YouTube. That's where we do the majority of our tutorial videos, our Q&A videos, and just general skateboard videos are gonna be on the YouTube channel. So stay subscribed. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram as well. Check our website because we're going to be doing a lot more giveaways as well as sales on the website. So we're going to be doing a Memorial Day sale. So check the website. There's going to be great deals on everything skate related that we offer, as well as throughout the summer, we're going to be doing a lot of flash sales. So go ahead and bookmark that site and check it periodically because you never know when we're going to be dropping a pretty sick deal or a giveaway where you might not even have to purchase anything. Just, you know, be a part of our ecosystem, and you, like Lover of Light, you're gonna take home a free board. So what's better than that? This board is good to go, perfect for the summer, and yeah, all of you other wheels, thank you for entering, but this was the one that, you know, kind of caught my eye and was right there. And as for me and Enzo behind the camera and everybody at Yokohama, thank you guys so much. And we're excited to bring out new videos, new content, new products for this summer. So hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you on the next one.